Dear friends, welcome to Rama's Cooking World. Today let's see how to prepare a whipped ganache. Now for the ganache, take 1 teaspoon of gelatin and add 4 teaspoons of water. This is the perfect ratio for making a silky smooth ganache. Mix it gently and let it bloom for some minutes. And heat it over low heat until it is dissolved. Now, for making the ganache, into a double boiler system, add 1 cup of chocolate and 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure that water does not touch the bowl surface. When the chocolate starts to melt, add half cup of cream. Mix until everything is melted and it's silky. Now remove from heat and don't let the chocolate curdle. Into this, add the dissolved gelatin. Mix it well. After this process, you can see your ganache looks more glossier. Now it's time to refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. Whip the chilled ganache until it becomes lighter in shade. Now you can see it's dark brown in color. After whipping further, it has turned into a lighter shade. And our chocolate ganache frosting is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell button too. Thank you everyone.